So in this video, we'll be adding and configuring our PhysBone components on our avatar. What we'll be doing is we'll be copying and pasting the components from the original avatar onto the new roots that we've created in Blender. So you can see here, I've copied and we're going to go to our bone, the root, and paste this component on here. And now you can see we've got the one component. We've got all of our hair configured properly so that when we set our limits, none of our hair will clip into our head because we've set up the rotations properly to where they'll only rotate outward and not inward, clipping into our head. A big thank you to Tupper for this tip. So to test that, what we'll do is we will rotate this and we'll go into play mode and I'll show you how the bones don't clip into our head. Looks pretty good to me. So we'll just repeat this process for all the other PhysBone components on our avatar, and we'll be back here after this break. Now once we've copied all of our PhysBone components over, let's go into play mode and test how it looks. Yep, looks pretty good to me. And can you believe that we're sitting at medium?